What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the LD Waffle. This is a triple collaboration done with Nike, Sacai, as well as Undercover, and this is the bright Citron color scheme. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back, everyone, to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. As mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the LD Waffle, this time a triple collaboration done with Nike, Sacai, and Undercover. This is a really cool colorway, so definitely excited to go through the overview on these and then talk about size and fit, followed by how I styled this really just kind of subtle pop of yellow, which I really am vibing with. I'm loving this color combination. And then we're going to conclude with how these shoes are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into this overview and talk about this really, really cool collaboration. So starting with the front of the upper, we've got just a nice crisp black nylon material going on. The front of the toe box, we've got just a nice cement gray in this really high quality nubuck. Then we've got white tumbled leather that finishes off the front of that toe box. As we work our way up, we've got the dual laces that Sacai is known for having, and it's in black as well as yellow. And if you're not feeling those laces, we have seen these laces before on other Sacais. This is a lacy kind of a material with the gold tips on there, and we also have that cement gray but in a thinner lace. So really cool that they've added not only different colorway options but two different styles of laces, so you can really kind of mix and match with this. And then as we work our way to the eyelets, we've got that dark charcoal leather material, and underneath we have that light suede in a gray color scheme. And then we've got, of course, that signature dual tongue going on here in a white and black color scheme with the Nike branding in yellow and white. Let's take a look at those details and then move on to the side panels. All right, so working our way to the side panels, underlays of that black nylon texture, and then we've got that suede in the light gray, and then over that for the dual swoosh, we've got it in the bright Citron colorway. Working our way to the side panels, more hints and accents of that charcoal cement gray, and then white leather is on the heel there. The Nike Sacai Undercover verbiage is on the extension of the heel here. And then we've got just that Nike Sacai dual logo here in black, which really pops off that white leather. Working our way to the insole, we do have a white and black insole with Nike Sacai on the inside there, and then we've got just a nice pop of that bright Citron for the collar. The shoe is then completed with a simplistic white midsole, and then we've got that pop of bright Citron for the outsole. Let's take a look at those details. So moving on to size and fit, I'm a 7.5 in the Nike Sacai LD Waffle silhouette, and I've had quite a few of these, so definitely go back, check out my older videos on all my LD waffles. I've done a lot by now. But definitely I am content with 7.5. I do have narrow feet though that are high arch, so if you have flat, wider feet, this could differentiate a size that works best for you. But I would say stick to the size on this one. All right, so now let's talk about how I style these. I really wanted to obviously incorporate some yellow into this look just because I love the bold statement that is subtle, but it really just pops quite nicely off the swoosh, the laces, the collar, and hits on that tongue. So for the first look, I decided to just kind of brighten it up with some yellow and black plaid pants. And I decided to tie that with a nice simplistic black leather button down, and then I wore just a simplistic yellow turtleneck. Definitely think the yellow really vibed off the accents of the shoe. I decided to kind of mix and match again with that checkered print, this time in black and white for the skirt, and then I layered that with a nice just bright pop of yellow for the sweater, and then a trench coat in a tan color scheme. For the last and final look, I wanted to just give it some all black. As you guys know, I love me some black, sometimes dark gray.
I only work in black, and sometimes very, very dark gray.
So brought an all about black look for this. I wore a black leather button-down shirt, and I wore some baggier cut black leather pants. So you let me know, out of the three, what was your favorite, or how would you style these shoes?
It'll be worth it. I told her I'm blowing up. She ain't believing the hype. Thought she was smart. She thinking that encyclopedia. Used to the response of, yeah, that's what they all say, but they ain't all in for the long game. Here today and I'm here tomorrow. An enclave in my peer group to stand out. You gotta part ways, all states. I'ma have a tour touching all states, and you know on this shirt with signatures on every chest, Sharpie golden and cursive. Their emotions on 10, can't control it in person. If she replies back, get your head out the clouds. I revoke an invite to my session in town. I don't need that, it's too far-fetched bullshit. Expect believing me and I ain't letting them down. Y'all do it for a hobby, we ain't messing around, so we cannot work if you don't wanna mention amounts. The high horse set to be mount, my spurs sharp. Y'all comfortable at ground level with the nurse sharks. And when I shoot for the stars, it's a bird shot. Her skirt soft in her thigh, got a birthmark. Said that she yours, dog, I didn't have to search hard. We getting loose and she only off a third claw. Teagues with a bird dog, we run the smoothest plays. We hit a pair of best friends, just a room away. High off life, gave her permission to stick a vein. Just had to pray the period didn't show up a minute late. Been hitting weights, feeling good when I hit the stage. Galaxy got Jaeger flowing, gotta misbehave. Out of this world performance, fuck did you expect? Only hits from my fans, like I'm Willie Mays, making the city shake. I could register on the Richter. She on lock with somebody else, but I picked her. Laying the wood down, timber. Damn, this too strong of a mixture. So I blend it with the Pedialyte. Take a picture if you see me tonight. It'll be worth it. I told her I'm blowing up. She ain't believing I'm right. Thought she was smart. She thicker than encyclopedia. Used to the responsive. Yeah, that's what they all say. But they ain't all in for the long game. Here today and I'm here tomorrow. The enclave in my peer group to stand out. You gotta part ways. Yeah.
Now let's conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $170 and they are currently going between $200 and $230. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Thanks everyone for sticking around and watching this video. If you're new here today, thanks for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to give me any comments or questions that you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming up that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button, some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. All right, that's it for this episode. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV, and we will catch you all on the next one.